Good morning, student. So, in ninth standard, we already learned about the congruency of triangle, congruent triangle. So, in this year, we learn about the similar triangle. Now, in similar triangle, we apply the similar triangle in our day-to-day life. For example, whenever the new construction, new building will construct, at that time the architect will give you the design. मीन्स एक प्रोफार्मा देते हैं हमको, एक डिजाइन देते हैं, and that design and our actual diagram and actual construction both are similar to each other. Both are similar to each other. Means डिजाइन में जो डायग्राम दिया है वैसा ही डायग्राम आपको एक्चुअल में दिखता है, सेम डायग्राम आपको एक्चुअल में दिखता है. इट मींस दैट द थिंग्स मींस जो हमको कुछ चीजें खरीदनी है, जैसे एक आध फ्लैट खरीदना है तो उसके लिए हमको एक पेज पे वो डायग्राम दिखाते हैं कि आपका फ्लैट इस तरह से रहेगा और उसी तरह से वो एग्जैक्टली फ्लैट होता है. ओके. Now here for the similar triangle, so this is the important for the day-to-day life. Now for similar triangle, we draw here two triangles. We construct here two triangles. This is of your one triangle. Here we consider the ABC, and the second triangle is PQR. Second triangle is PQR. PQR. So in first video we already discussed what is mean by the similar. What is mean by the similarity? Similarity means same shape different size. Shape same रहेगा मगर size कैसे रहेंगे? Different रहेंगे. They are called as a similar figures. Here for similar triangle, if we consider this is of your 4, this is 2, this is 6, 3, and this is of your 8. This become 4. Okay. Similarly here also, this angle is congruent to this angle, this angle is congruent to this angle, and this angle is congruent to this angle. Got it? Here if we consider this is of your 70 degree and this is of your 40 degree, so naturally this side and this side will be changed. It means that for a similar triangle, if we consider here AB upon PQ, जो आंसर मिलेगा 4 upon 2, that is 2 upon 1. BC upon QR, that is of equals to 6 upon 3, that is 2 upon 1. And AC upon PR, that is of equals to 8 upon 4, that is 2 upon 1. So from all these three relations we can write as AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. And when two or more ratios are equal, then we say that the sides are in proportion. When two or more ratios are equal. For example, if A upon B is equals to C upon D, in the 8th standard, you already learn about the variation and proportion. Inverse variation, direct variation, and the proportion also. In that proportion, if A upon B is equals to C upon D, then A, B, C, D are in proportion. If we consider only A upon B, this is called as a ratio. And if A upon B is equals to C upon D, this is called as a proportion. Means A, B, C, D are in proportion. There are two type of proportion. एक simple proportion और दूसरा continued proportion. Simple proportion means ये हो गया A upon B is equals to C upon D. And continued proportion में A upon B is equals to B upon C. तो ये डिनोमिनेटर और ये न्यूमरेटर कैसे रहेगा? दोनों सेम रहेगा. इसको कंटिन्यूड प्रोपोर्शन बोलते हैं. तो मैंने यहाँ पे प्रोपोर्शन के बारे में आपको बता दिया है. नाउ वी विल टेक द मेन टॉपिक, that is similar triangle. See what is meant by the similarity triangle. यहां पे ध्यान में आ गया 3 ratios are equal है, इसका मतलब all the 6 sides are in proportion. So here we consider the two triangles and the definition is for a given correspondence between the vertices of the two triangles. This is of your correspondence PQR, and for a given correspondence between the vertices of the two triangle, one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of the two triangle if the sides are in proportion. So AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR and is equals to AC upon PR. So this is called as a sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. Angle A is congruent to angle P, B is congruent to angle Q and angle C is congruent to angle R. Then we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So this is the sign for the similar. ये जो साइन दिया है, ये साइन किसका साइन है? सिमिलर का साइन है. दिस इज द साइन फॉर सिमिलर. कॉन्ग्रुएंसी का साइन आपको पता है, ये दो लाइन और इसके ऊपर इस तरह से. This is the sign for congruency and this is the sign for similarity. It means that the triangles are similar when the sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. Okay? Now here we consider some criteria for the similar of triangle. अब ये similar of triangle क्या होता है मैंने आपको explain किया है. Once again I will explain the definition. For a given correspondence आपको लिखना है, for a given correspondence, for a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of the two triangles, if number 1 corresponding sides are in proportion, if the corresponding sides are in proportion, and number 2 if corresponding angles are congruent, then the triangles are said to be similar. Now इसके उल्टा क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? If the triangles are similar, then the sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. Now what is the difference between similarity and the congruency? Only one difference is there. In congruency the sides are congruent and in similarity the sides are in proportion. The sides are in proportion. Means sides proportion, angle congruent, तो triangle similar. Triangle similar, side तो sides proportion और angles congruent रहेंगे. Now we see the criteria for the similar triangle. So there are some criteria. Here we consider one by one criteria for the similar triangle. जैसे congruence of triangle में criteria होते हैं, वैसे ही यहाँ पे there are 3 criteria for the similar triangle. The first is criteria. It is criteria for similar triangle. Similar triangle के criteria कौन से criteria है that we will see. The first criteria is angle criteria. Now in this angle criteria only we will consider angle. It means that for a given correspondence between the vertices of the two triangle ABC similar to PQR, sorry 1-to-1 to PQR. Okay, means यहाँ पे कौन सा criteria apply कर रहे हैं? Angle. Now in this criteria for a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangle, if all the 3 angles, angle B is congruent to angle Q, angle C is congruent to angle R. If all the 3 angles of one triangle are congruent to 3 angles of the another triangle, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by angle test, or we can say that the test, either criteria or test. क्या हम इसको एंगल टेस्ट भी बोल सकते हैं? क्या बोल सकते हैं? Why बोल सकते हैं? क्यों बोल सकते हैं हम लोग? If angle A and angle P, ये 40 डिग्री का एंगल है, ओके? एंगल A भी 40 है, एंगल P भी 40 है. एंगल B और एंगल Q दोनों एंगल 50 डिग्री के हैं. अब ये A is congruous to P because both are 40 degree. B is congruous to Q because both are 50 degree. Okay. So can we say that already angle C is congruous to angle R because sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. ये हो गया आपका 40 डिग्री, B हो गया आपका 50 डिग्री, तो बचा हुआ जो रहेगा वो रहेगा आपका 90 डिग्री, क्योंकि ये दोनों का एडिशन 90 हो रहा है, तो बचा हुआ एंगल कितने का रहेगा 90 डिग्री. सो द सेम क्राइटेरिया इज कंसीडर एज एंगल क्राइटेरिया. मींस यहां पे आपको तीनों एंगल दिखाने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. ओनली वी वांट टू शो any two angles of one triangle are congruent to the two angles of the another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be similar to each other. Now we take the second criteria. This is of your first criteria. अब देखेंगे हम लोग सेकेंड क्राइटेरिया. सेकेंड क्राइटेरिया क्या है? नंबर 2, साइड एंगल साइड. साइड angle side. Now for a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangle, if two sides are in proportion, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. दिख रहा है? हमने AB PQ BC QR लिया, तो एंगल B लेना पड़ेगा congruous to एंगल Q लेना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि AB और BC ने बनाया हुआ एंगल B और PQ और QR ने बनाया हुआ एंगल Q. Means when two sides of one triangle are proportion to the two sides of the another triangle and the included angles are congruent, then the two triangles are said to be similar to each other by side angle side test, or we can say that the criteria. तो क्या बोला हमने? What is the definition of side angle side criteria? For a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangle, if two sides of one triangle are in proportion to the two sides of the another triangle and the included angle is congruence, then the two triangles are said to be similar by SAS criteria or SAS test. Now we take the last phase, that is the third one, side side side. तीसरा हम चेक करेंगे साइड साइड साइड. अब इसमें साइड 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 है, इसका मतलब तीनों साइड कंसीडर करेंगे हम लोग. मींस व्हाट वी विल कंसीडर? फॉर अ गिवन करेस्पॉन्डेंस between the vertices of two triangle, if all the three sides of one triangle are in proportion to the three sides of the another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be similar by SSS criteria. तो यहाँ पे तीन क्राइटेरिया को ध्यान में रखना है. एंगल 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 क्राइटेरिया. दिस क्राइटेरिया इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज एंगल एंगल क्राइटेरिया. ओनली वी वांट हियर टू एंगल्स. दूसरा क्राइटेरिया है एसएएस, दो साइड और इंक्लूडेड एंगल चाहिए. और तीसरा क्राइटेरिया है एसएसएस, तीनों साइड्स कैसे चाहिए? प्रोपोर्शन. तो यहाँ पे एक ही वर्ड को आप बार बार दोहराएंगे. ट्रायंगल सिमिलर, तो साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन और एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट. साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन और एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट, तो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर. ओके, तो ये इस तरह से आपको ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा. दीज आर द टेस्ट एंड फ्रॉम दिस ऑल दीज थ्री टेस्ट ओनली angle test is most important because number of time we use angle test. So you can identify by using identical marks, you can identify which two angles are equal, and after two angles are equal then two triangles are similar, and as two triangles are similar then the sides are in proportion. Now the next one here, exercise 6.3, question number 1, you have to solve. Only we can identify which two triangles are similar and by which test they are similar to each other. So by identical marks you can identify whether the triangles are similar to each other or not, and by which test they are similar to each other. That you have to solve yourself. Okay, because I already explained that similar triangle and the test for the similar triangle. We will take here the question number 2. Here triangle ODC means the solution for the solution यहाँ पे जो इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है ODC is similar to triangle OBA. इसका मतलब ODC is similar to OBA. So triangle similar means sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. Sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. ये बोला गया है. Okay? So sides are in proportion and angles are congruent means angle ODC is equals to angle OBA. ये ले लेंगे 1. Angle which one? O का तो निकालना नहीं है हमको, निकालना है O का. Angle DOC is congruent to angle BOA. ये हो गया second. And the third one, angle OCD is equals to angle OAB. This is of equation number 3. It is corresponding parts of similar triangle. CPST. Congruency में क्या लिखते थे? CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? Corresponding parts of similar triangle. Similar triangle. And this is of your given information. Okay? Now here what we want here, BOC is given, BOC is given, CDO is given. We want to find angle DOC, DOC ये वाला फाइंड आउट करना है. तो ये लीनियर पेयर बना रहे हैं, निकाल सकते हैं आराम से. आफ्टर दैट DCO, कहाँ है DCO? DCO means this angle we want here. OAB, this angle we want here. Okay, so first of all we find angle DCO. Okay, sorry, DOC. Angle DOC plus angle COB is equals to 180 degree. They forming linear pair. दिखाई दे रहा है सबको? ये दो एंगल क्या फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. सो एंगल DOC इज इक्वल्स टू DOC प्लस COB कितना है? 125 इज इक्वल्स टू 180. सो एंगल DOC इज इक्वल्स टू 180 minus 125 and that is equals to 10 minus 5. It means equals to 5. A 7 minus 2 that is of equals to 5 and 1 minus 1 0. Correct है क्या? चेक कर लेंगे. Here 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry 1. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. Correct है. So angle DOC is equals to what we get? 55 degree. ये मिल गया एक आंसर. DOC 55 degree. Now we can find here this angle DCO. ये वाला चाहिए DCO. You know that angle sum property. So by using angle sum property, or we can again apply the exterior angle property also. Okay? So can we say that BOC is an exterior angle of this triangle? तो वैसे भी apply कर सकते हैं, या फिर sum of the angles of triangle से भी निकाल सकते हैं. So either we can find by using that one. Okay? So angle which one? BOC is an exterior angle of triangle DOC. अब एक्सटीरियर एंगल है तो इसका जो मेजरमेंट रहेगा BOC का मेजरमेंट ये रहेगा एंगल ODC प्लस एंगल OCD. बराबर है? करेक्ट है. नाउ यहां पे लिखेंगे रिमोट इंटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम. क्या लिखेंगे यहां पे? रिमोट इंटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम. BOC वैल्यू डालेंगे 125 इज इक्वल्स टू ODC 78 plus angle OCD. Therefore angle OCD is equals to 125 minus 78. So therefore angle OCD is equals to, अब 5 में से 8 नहीं जाता तो 15 हो गया. 15 minus 8 that is of equals to 7. ये आ गया आपका 7. करेक्ट है. 15 minus 8 is equals to 7, 11 बच गया, तो 11 minus 7 that is of equals to 4, 47, चेक कर लेंगे, 7 plus 8 15, 15 5 carry 1, 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12, correct answer. So angle OCD is equals to 47, तो OCD मिल गया आपको 47. अब चाहिए मुझे OAB. So from equation which one? 3. So from 3 we can write as a, यहां पे लिखता हूं मैं from 3. क्या लिखेंगे from 3? दिख रहा है आपको OCD is equals to OAB. Angle OCD is equals to angle OAB is equals to 47 degree, and this complete the proof.